Guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we're going to be continuing on with our macOS development with AppKit tutorial series, and in this particular tutorial we are going to be taking a look at how we can move rows in a table. Now this requires two separate steps. First, we need to move around elements in our array. Second, we need to move around the rows in our table, which will then actually update, it'll update the table based on the data source. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Inside of Xcode, the first thing that we want to do is we want to move around our data in our actual array of data here. So the first thing I'll do is I'll say data dot move. We're going to move from offsets to offset. This takes in an index set. So I'm going to say index set. And I'm going to pass it a single integer because I only want to move one row, but you can move multiple rows, which is my challenge for you in this video. Take what you learn here and try to apply it to where you can move multiple rows at a time instead of just one. So we're moving the row at index 0. And then this to offset is an integer of where do you want to move it to. Do you want it to be the 6th out of 6 elements? Do you want to be the 5th out of 6? You know, that kind of thing. In this case, we want this to be the 6th element of our. We want this to be the 6th element of our array, so it'll be all the way at the bottom. Now we need to tell our table to move that row to the position that we want it to be moved to. And we can do that with the move row method of our NSTableView. So we'll say table dot move row. We want to move the row at index 0 to be the 6th element, or the 6th row in the table. So run this. And now when we go into our table, you can see the first movie is now Attack of the Clones. But if we go all the way down to the bottom, we get the Phantom Menace as the 6th row in the table. Above that is Return of the Jedi, then Empire Strikes Back, A New Hope, Revenge of the Sith, and Attack of the Clones. Alright, so that is how we can move a row in our table view by first moving our data around in the source of data, the singular source of truth, and then moving the row of our table around. Thank you all so very much for watching. Make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. And if you have any suggestions or questions, leave a comment. And make sure you also follow me on Twitter for more, because I post some interesting stuff over there. See you in the next one.